Hi, Angel with Ames Power Tech Support here. Today we're going to talk about the Ames Power Battery Voltage Regulator. The Ames Power Battery Voltage Regulator protects your batteries by automatically disconnecting a 12-volt source in case that 12-volt source falls out of tolerance. You can get it in a 100 or a 200 amp model. The regulator should be installed inside of a vehicle in a dry and protected environment. The cable size should be rated at 100 amps or 200 amps, depending on the model you choose to get. When connecting your battery voltage regulator, on the backside there is a negative screw. The recommended size for that screw is 6 gauge. You will have to connect that to your chassis in order to properly operate the battery voltage regulator. When connecting your battery voltage regulator to your starting or main battery, you're going to connect it from the positive of your main or starting battery to the alternator side on the voltage regulator, and on this line is where your fuse is going to go. When connecting the other side of your regulator to your auxiliary or secondary battery, you're going to connect it to the battery port on the battery voltage regulator, and this is also where you'll add your fuse on this side. As an example, we have an inverter connected to our secondary or auxiliary battery in this basic setup. For more information, click on the link below. Thanks for watching.